Are you ready to make your Google Slides presentations pop? Today, I'm going to show you how to outline text in Google Slides, giving your titles and key points that professional, eye-catching look. Whether you want to highlight important information or just make your slides look cleaner, this is a simple trick you don't want to miss. First, open Google Slides in your web browser. If you haven't signed in yet, click the sign in button at the top right and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the home screen where you can start a new presentation. For this tutorial, let's go with a blank presentation so we can focus on our text outlining. Next, add some text to your slide. Click the text box icon in the toolbar, then click anywhere on your slide to create your text box. Type in the text you want to outline. Something simple like "Welcome" works perfectly for practice. Now for the magic. Outlining your text. Click on your text to make sure the toolbar shows text-specific options, then select Format Options on the toolbar. On the panel that opens on the right, look for Text Effects. Here, you'll find several styling tools, but the one we're interested in is Text Shadow. Toggle it on, and you'll instantly see your text lifted off the slide, giving the illusion of an outline. But don't stop there. You can customize your shadow to get the perfect look. Adjust the color, transparency, angle, distance, and blur radius to match your style. With just a few tweaks, your text can go from plain to professional in seconds. And that's it. You've just learned how to outline text in Google Slides. Play around with these settings to create slides that truly stand out and impress your audience. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to elevate your presentations.